The freight industry moves goods over highways, railroads, waterways, and maritime ports. Each transportation mode plays a distinct role in goods movement, and often, multiple modes are used to transport any given shipment. The U.S. freight system moves more than 17.6 billion tons of goods on an annual basis. These goods are valued at more than $16.8 trillion. The U.S. Department of Transportation reports that 1.1% of all freight moved is damaged. That's $184 billion of damage per year. All freight, whether transported by truck, rail, or sea, is subject to a variety of conditions during shipping. Damage can occur from normal vibrations, swaying, back and front and side-to-side motion, and abrupt stops. Without proper damage prevention, loads arrive at their destination damaged or spilled. This creates unsafe handling conditions, damaged products, delayed delivery dates, additional costs, and ultimately, dissatisfied customers. Shippers' airbags minimize load movement by creating a bulkhead that literally locks the freight in place during transit. This ensures products arrive at their destination damage-free. Shippers Products is the leader in dunnage airbag manufacturing, with airbags designed and manufactured in the USA for over 50 years. ISO certified and American Association of Railroad verified, we manufacture at the highest quality and standards. Our shipment securement specialists dedicate time with you from the loading docks to the boardroom to help ensure your freight arrives damage-free. We consistently create and develop new damage prevention technologies to help you keep pace with the rapid shipping challenges of today. For less than truckloads, load freight tightly against the nose and sidewalls of the trailer. Due to the inconsistency in freight shape and sizes, in less than truckloads, each successive piece of freight should be pushed as securely as possible against the previous freight and sidewalls. This will allow the airbags to create a bulkhead that literally locks the load in place, providing optimal load security. The next step is choosing an airbag size that provides the maximum amount of coverage for your load. The greater the amount of coverage an airbag supplies, the better your load will be locked in and secured. To determine your correct airbag size, you will need to calculate your void space. The total void space equals the space between the trailer load plus the space between the ladings. A simple equation to remember is left void plus center void plus right void equals total void space. Void space should not exceed 12 inches for a 36-inch wide airbag or 16 inches for a 48-inch wide airbag. If void space exceeds the recommended size, reduce the void by using available dunnage, such as void fillers. Once an airbag size has been determined, set the air compressor to the compressor's recommended setting. Place the airbag in the void. Airbag should be at least 1 inch off the floor. Insert the airbag inflator in the valve and start inflating. Once the airbag has reached the desired pressure, stop inflating. Remove the inflator and attach the valve cap. For detailed instructions on how to use your specific inflator type, refer to your inflator instructions or return to the main menu and select the appropriate inflator training video. To ensure product security and user safety, please observe the following guidelines. To prevent airbag punctures, never place the airbag in contact with the corner of the pallets, sharp objects, or pinch points. Do use pieces of cardboard to protect the airbag. Do not install airbags against trailer walls with splinters or metal protrusions. Place the airbag above the floor of the trailer. Always wear ANSI eye shields or eyeglasses. Never point the inflator towards your face or body. Never obstruct the rear vacuum of inflators while inflating. Never use inflators as cleaning devices. Never place already inflated airbags in the void. Never place airbags horizontally in a void. Never use folded airbags in voids. Never use airbags as leveling devices. Never position airbags between the top of the load and the trailer roof. Never place airbags between the load and the trailer door. Never allow airbags to touch the ground or the pallet. Failure to follow these instructions could result in serious injury and/or airbag malfunctions. If you have any questions about the correct usage of airbags, please contact customer service at 800-468-1230 for domestic. International 1-870-352-5700.